Kitamura are known for producing high value and high quality parts across industry, and I'm excited to see why they've sold so well since being represented by Dugard, and maybe see what machines you can get your hands on.
We signed up with Kitamura about a year and a half ago. That was after many months of negotiations and discussions about the UK market. For a long time, we've been looking for a premium brand that we could use in the UK for machining centres that would suit customers for the automation and the accuracy requirements that everybody seems to need these days. I think the machine philosophy goes right back to actually Mr. Kitamura's idea that the machine should be hand-built. They're using boxway construction, which is actually, they call it true geometry, where they hand scrape the machine to absolute accuracy rather than using the control. A lot of manufacturers actually tune out the inaccuracies by the parameters on the control, but when we get a machine here we can check it out and it's actually got no rectification in the parameters at all. It's really comes out the factory spot on, which is incredible really.
Let's go into more detail about that accuracy. What is it specific about that accuracy that Kitamura stand out for? What is it they're doing?
Well, they've got a lot of features. I think there's over 100 patents relating to the accuracy alone on the machine. They're using a very high resolution control, very fast rapids, 60 metres a minute even on boxway, but that's mainly achieved by dual ball screws, which are called ball screws, and really the total build quality gives this incredible accuracy. We've got customers who've had machines for 20 years and they're still getting unbelievable performance in terms of quality and reliability, and the price isn't that high. You would assume that it's going to be extremely expensive, but in fact they fit into quite a commercial range of prices.
So we have learned that these are well-built machines, but let's go through the models that are immediately available.
The HX500 IG is a very good medium-sized machine for the general market. We've got a lot of customers using it on a whole range of parts, subcontract, aerospace, and many other areas in the industry. The best example is a customer that's using the 500 on some very aggressive machining of titanium parts. He's got the high torque spindle, which is 8,000 RPM, 1200 Newton meters, and it's really giving him fantastic performance. The MedCenter 5-axis is a really high-speed machine. It's a small capacity, 200 millimeter capacity on the 5-axis table, but 60 meters rapids, I think 300 RPM rotating speed on the table, so it's incredibly quick, but offering fantastic accuracy. As the name suggests, it's really useful on medical parts, very small medical parts, good on titanium, aluminium, complete cross-section of materials. But actually we're seeing a lot more interest in many other areas, including small aerospace parts. The type of customer that would be interested in this, I think, will be looking at a very, very small footprint but very high accuracy machine. It's incredibly fast, ideal for all sorts of materials, including tougher steels, but aluminium as well. And it's got the option of 8 pallet changing system. The Mitronium 4G is probably the most popular machine in the 5-axis range. It's a 400 pallet size and fits most customers' sort of requirements. Incredibly accurate again, of course, as all Kitamuras are, but it's very fast and very, very compact in footprint. We've recently installed one to our customer to solve problems on aerospace production, and he's added a 6 pallet Iroha pallet changing system. This is a really successful machine because it's a very popular size. There's a lot of machines on the market in this category, but when the customers really analyse the accuracy we can offer and the performance, they're very interested to look at this, especially with the pallet option that we're now offering. The Supercell series, they do a 300 and a 400 pallet size, are very, very popular, particularly in Asia. They've sold a lot of machines it comes as standard with a 20 pallet system, 120 tools, so it's incredibly well suited to automation and lights out manufacturing. I would say it's probably most popular with people making parts in aerospace or in medical type industries. Again, they're looking very high speed. It's 20,000 RPM as standard, but it has got a 4-range gearbox on the spindle, so it's capable of doing some very tough materials as well. The Supercell is ideal for customers who are looking for a simple solution to automation. It's got pallet recognition as standard. Everything you need is all built onto the machine.
Now, we hope we've piqued your interest on the Kitamura range, and if you're interested in any of the models that we've mentioned, make sure you're getting in touch with Dugard at dugard.com.